Last Tuesday, a client paid me $800 for a complete marketing campaign. A landing page copy, 5 email sequence, 3 ad variations, email, social media content. The whole package. It took me an hour to deliver everything. Not because I rushed it for cut corners, but because I figured out how to use ChatGPT like a marketing assistant instead of just a fancy search engine. I am Bisho, founder of Maxi Marketing, and today I am going to show you the exact system I used every prompt, every discussion, every step. Not flop, not just ask ChatGPT nicely, no response, nonsense, and stick around to 8-minute mark because I am going to show you the biggest mistake people make with AI that actually makes their campaign worse, not better. Quick context about me. I started in digital marketing back in December 2021. I was 19, sitting at my auntie's house during COVID delays, and I know absolutely nothing about marketing. Fast forward through, I branch of trailers, CPA marketing flops, a project called Wilderness CPA that's crushed me and burned. And I learned something important. Marketing is not about magic formulas. It's about understanding what people need to be communicating it clearly. Now, here's why that ChatGPT thing matters. I used to spend 15 to 20 hours building a complete campaign, research, copywriting, revisions, formatting. It was exhausting. And when you are a student like me, juggling college for business, time is on thing you can't get more of it. But here's what sense. I started using ChatGPT like everyone else does. Most people treat it like Google. They ask a question, copy the answer, and wonder why it sounds generic. I treat it like a junior marketer I am training. And that on mindset shifted my campaign creation by 90%. Let me show you exactly how the system I use has 5 phases. I call it BRIDGE, BRIDGE method. Brief, creation, research, and fostering ideal customer profiting draft and the little gap analysis. Exclude an expert before I show you the each phase. Let me tell you why I created this system. 3 months ago, I was using ChatGPT the normal way. I don't type something like, write me a marketing copy for a fitness product and get back in the generic garbage that sounds like every other AI written and on the internet. I tried it with a real client project. They hated it. I had to rewrite everything manually. That campaign took me 18 hours. That night, I was sitting in my college dorm thinking about my mechanic days. Yeah, I used to work at a machine shop back in 2018. And I remembered something my boss used to say, if you don't tell me what's wrong with the car, I cannot fix it. Garbage information in, garbage information replay out. That's when it clicked. ChatGPT is not SVCC. It gives either garbage inputs and average garbage outputs. So I built a system where I feed ChatGPT the right information in the right order. And everything changed. Step 1, define the campaign goal. Don't just say, I need a marketing copy. That's too beggars. Instead of, I use this exact prompt for template. I am creating a marketing campaign with the following parameters: product or service, a specific name, target outcome, conversion goal, scale, lead, or it can be sign up. Campaign duration, time frame, primarily channel, email, social, landing page, etc. Budget consultant, if any, tone, professional or casual or humorous, etc. Based on this, suggest a campaign structure with the recommended components. Why this is works? You're not asking ChatGPT to do the work yet. You are asking to it to be studies fast. Real example for my client last week. A productive app for freelancers. I got back a campaign structure struggling one landing page, 5 email welcome sequence, 3 Facebook ad variation, and 2 weeks of social proof content. I don't have to be think about structure. ChatGPT did strategic thinking and it evaluated it based on what I know works. By the way, you are getting value from this, and hit the like button. It helps you to show this to more people who need it. Alright, let's keep going. Here's where most people fail. They skip research and jump straight out copywriting. Step 2. Market research. I feed ChatGPT information about competitor messaging, copy, paste, and 3-5 content landing pages or ads. Customer reviews from Amazon, Reddit, social media, industry pain points from forum, Facebook groups. My prompt: Here are three computers app process. Paste example. Here are actually customer complaints and desire. Paste review customer analysis the gaps in the computer messaging and identify three unique post tuning angles we could use that computers are missing. What happens? ChatGPT identifies what everyone else is saying, so you can avoid it and finds the gaps where your message can stand out. Real example. For the productivity app, computers were all saying get more done, boring, generic. ChatGPT found a gap in the reviews. Freelancers is not worried about productivity. They are worried about looking unprofessional when they missed deadlines. So our angles become never miss a client deadline again. Same product, totally different positioning. That's the step that converts. Step 3. Build a detailed customer avatar. That's where you teach ChatGPT who is writing for my prompt. Based on results, create a detailed customer avatar including demographics, age, income, location, occupation, psychographics, fears, desires, frustrations, day in the life, scenario, language patterns, and phrase they use, objections they don't have to be buying desired outcome. What success look like to them. Write the essay, narrative, character profile. Why that's powerful now. ChatGPT writes copy. It's not writing to everyone. It's writing to this specific person who those specific problems. The difference, generic, our app helps you stay organized, targeted. Stop explaining to clients why you missed their deadline. Our app keeps every product on track so you look professional every time. See the difference? The second on speaks to be a real affair and desire. Now actually you create the content. Step 4a. First draft with the context my prompt. You are writing landing page copy email ad for a customer avatar name. The goal, specific the confirm action and unique progression is goal, and from phase 2, tone is your specific tone. Write the first draft following this structure. I provide the specific structure, headline, shared benefits, CTA, etc. Use the language patterns for the customer avatar. Address their main objection, specific objection, what I get first draft that's actually targeted, not generic. Step 4b. The curated loop. Here's the secret structure. I don't just accept my first draft. I ask ChatGPT to critique its own work, review the above copy as a senior marketing director. Identify your work's weak points, is messaging asset that sound to be generic or AI written phrase, where if the customer objection is not fully addressing the issues. Okay, that is a mistake I promised to tell you about at the 8-minute mark. Most people use ChatGPT in on short. They get an output, copy it, and it call it done. That's why AI content sounds like AI content. The pros, and I mean people actually making money with this, they literate and they make ChatGPT aura with itself. Create itself, improve itself. AI usually run 2-3 corporate loops. By the third version, the copy sounds human because you have focused on AI to remove its own generic patterns. This is what takes my campaign, and obviously AI wait for you write it this yourself. Step 5. Consistently check before I deliver anything. I run this prompt, review all campaigns, compounds, landing page, email, and ads, and click for message consistency across the phrase, the consistency, call to the action, clarity, pattern, customer contribution points, missing elements that would improve conversion, provide a gap analysis report. Why this matters? ChatGPT does not have memory limitation when you keep everything in on conversion. It can be spotted when your email number 3 coordinates your landing page, or when your ad promises something your landing page does not deliver. Those little interactions kill conversion. This step gets them. Step 6. Final formatting my final prompt. Export is campaign component in following format. I specify exactly how I need it. Google Doc structure, email platform format, character, email limits for ads, etc. Include all headlines and body copy, suggested image, visual, direction. This I don't generate. Technical specification about bottom text from fields, etc. Testing recommendation. Result, everything organized, formatted, ready to plug in into the whatever platform I am using. Total time for all 6 phases, about 60 minutes for a complete campaign. Now, let me be honest about what the system is and is not what it is. A way to handle the technical time consuming parts of the campaign, creation, a research and drafting assistant that speeds up your phrase, the tool that lets you focus on strategy and client relationship instead of writing for 15 hours. What it is not a replacement for understanding marketing fundamentals, a magic bottom that creates a perfect campaigns with zero input, a substitute for actually knowing your market and customer. You don't understand marketing. ChatGPT would not save you, but if you do understand marketing, if you know what good copy looks like, what converts and what does not like, then ChatGPT become a force multiplier. I still review everything. I still adjust based on my experience. I still add the human insight that AI cannot replicate. But I don't it on hour instead of 20. If you want to use the system yourself, here's the where to start. Week 1. Precise phrase 1 or 2, just briefs and research. Don't even write copy yet. Get good at feeding ChatGPT the right strategic information. Week 2. Add phrase 3, build detailed customer avatars and better your avatar, the better your copy. Week 3. Start drafting with phrase 4, but focus on the complicated loop. Make ChatGPT improve its own work 2-3 minutes. Week 4. Put it all together and build a fast, complete campaigns. Don't expect perfection on day on. I have been refined this system for 3 months. I will develop on variations based on what you are marketing on who you are marketing to. Look, AI is not going to replace marketers, but marketers who use AI efficiently are going to be replaced marketers who don't. I am 22 years old college student running a marketing agency. I don't have a team. I don't have decide to experience, but I have system to like this. Let me complicate with people who do. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I will share everything I'm learning about digital marketing, AI tools, and building real businesses. No hype, just what actually works. Drop a comment and tell me what's the first campaign you are going to build in this system. I read every comment and I will answer question. I am Bisho. Thanks for watching. Now go build something. Bye.